Welcome to Apiari Ice Cream.
Welcome, April. Come, let's go upstairs. How is it? It's an old type. You don't have any cookie or something? Brownie. Only brownies. Ice cream.
May ibang flavor. Pistachio.
We get a single milk chocolate.
Squall lamig. Malamig.
Malinis ate. Malinis siya and very beautiful. And then I customize my own. I customize.
Tapos walang bayad yung pagpalinis.
Yes, that's why I love Coach so that I don't need to pay something. So Coach is very good in service to us.
Eh, magkano naman yung panglinis na binili niyo?
$20 something.
Mura na. Patingin daw.
Moisturizing. Moisturize and as well as cleaner. And I got certificate for that. The Coach.
So, para sa mga mayaman, yung pag-alaga ng bag, yan na lang.
No,
Ayan.
for the one. Yeah. Mayaman yung mga Gucci, then Chanel, and also the...
Pero mahal pa rin ang Coach na bag.
Ha?
Mahal pa rin.
Affordable siya ate. Affordable for the...
Magkano yan?
This one is 800 something.
800 something, edi $32. 32,000 pesos. Ayan, nasa bibig.
Ate, this is your mocha.
Ay, cute naman.
Yeah, then this is my coffee.
Ayan, ito yung mocha. Ayan. Tama-tama. Pangmayaman ng kape.
Natural coffee. Sa amin na.
Ayan. Pangmayaman ng kape. Pangmayaman ang kasama ko may Coach bag at saka may kape.
I give a discount because I take a discount in Singapore.
Okay. Ayan, so magkano naman yung bag ni Mika na yan?
That's a bag. Because already I show your bag.
So magkano yan?
1,000.
1,000 SGD. So in peso, mga 42,000.
But they have discount already.
Kahit na, kung wala kang discount, 42,000 pa rin in pesos.
Then they come to me and I give you a 10% discount. Right?
So kung halimbawa naghahanap kayo ng mabibilhan, ayan,
Then
nandito.
I'm a gold. I'm a gold discount. I'm VIP.
Oo.
VIP ako din. So if you wanted to Coach, come to me and I give you discount 10%. Whether the vintage or new, large, and also under.
Hindi siya nag-pay no, kagaya ng nangyayari ng pandemic. Mga bag ay nagkasira-sira, yung sapatos nagkasira, hindi naman naapektuhan. So magandang bag pa rin talaga ang Coach.
In my closet, like a mini bag also. But I never used it before. So this is Mika's favorite. When we go Coach, we use Coach. When we go Chanel, we use Chanel. Yeah.
Thank you din for sharing. Ayan. Ayan. Order waffle with dark chocolate. Mika. Ano yung flavor ng kay Mika? Yung sa iyo walang ice cream?
No ice cream natin. For now, no ice cream. Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome.
Apiari?
Apiari.
Apiari.
Apiari ba? Akala ko Apiari.
Oh, yan. Top with ice cream.
And what is your flavor, Mika? Mika, what's your flavor?
Nandun na sa likod. So, kasama ko ang mag-inang mayaman. So, yan ang
Picture tayo ba? I am not like a mother that looking for money for the children.